का पुराना वाला सर नहीं मिल पाया सर।
Sir, you are unfit, sir. You are unfit to hold the post. To MTS cadre, you ask him.
जी।
Then you don't know basic thing.
से अपॉइंटमेंट होता है सर MTS कैडर।
By which document, sir? Which is the document? You look into it that so and so MTS post is required to be filled up by. You are not assisting the court properly. Tell me who has to be summoned now. Next. Postmaster General will summon him.
Milord, at least 2 weeks time be granted. They will try their best, Milord.
Don't ask for one day. This is third day. We are on the same page. No development.
I'll tomorrow, day after, I'll get.
No, it is not a one case. In generally, we are coming across, there is no assistance from the law office. They don't read and come. They don't understand our issue, despite giving in writing in the previous order. This
has been appointed in the year 2004, and therefore his service will be guided by the new pension rule. He cannot be considered in the old pension rule. Number one, and number two, any service done as a GDS cannot be counted for the purpose of pension. And
whether the officer is here.
MTS का सर पुराना रूल नहीं है सर।
मेथड ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट टू
डायरेक्टेड सर डाक निदेशालय से एक चिट्ठी आई है सर, नियम जो 25/10/2013 में जारी किया गया सर। और GDS सर्विस जो है काउंट नहीं होगा किसी भी हाल में, ये सारा दिया हुआ है सर। तो एक्स्ट्रा डिपार्टमेंटल एजेंट है सर, पार्ट टाइम वर्कर है, इसलिए उसका सर्विस को पेंशनेबल सर।
किस पोस्ट पर है आप?
मैं डाक अधीक्षक पूर्णिया सर।
किस पोस्ट पर है?
सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पोस्ट ऑफिस पूर्णिया डिवीजन, BK सिंह सर।
अपॉइंटमेंट का ये MTS का रूल्स नहीं है ये? 2013 का नहीं, MTS का
पुराना वाला रूल सर ट्राई किया सर, नहीं मिल।
तो आपको फाइल लेके आना चाहिए था ना।
फाइल लेके आए हैं सर।
नहीं मिल रहा है तो ये कब मिलेगा? The case is pending here since 2019.
जी फाइल लेके आए।
No, you are appointing authority to MTS cadre?
जी सर।
You don't know basic thing? Which rule or executive order or OM is required to be followed for the purpose of filling up of the post of MTS?
MTS का पुराना वाला सर नहीं मिल पाया सर।
Sir, you are unfit, sir. You are unfit to hold the post. Where is 2013 rules? Is it a rules or executive order? What is it? Do you know there are difference between rules and executive order? You are a class 1 officer.
बताइए।
जी सर।
They don't teach you anything.
नहीं सर, क्लास 2 ऑफिसर।
Class 2 officer.
जी सर।
Is he appointing authority to MTS cadre? You ask him.
जी।
Then you don't know basic thing.
नहीं सर, अपॉइंटमेंट GDS का, MTS का अपॉइंटमेंट GDS से ही होता है सर। जो एक्स्ट्रा डिपार्टमेंटल एजेंट है उसी से उसकी बात। जी MTS केडर GDS केडर से अपॉइंटमेंट होता है सर, MTS केडर।
By which document, sir? Which is the document? You look into it that so and so MTS post is required to be filled up by direct recruitment, promotion, deputation. Do you know?
जी सर।
Where direct recruitment or promotion?
डायरेक्ट है सर।
Where is that document?
My lord, page 54 of the writ petition.
What is that?
The Swami's Postal Gramin Dak Saver Guidance, and in that the DPC is decided, my lord, and therefore the column 5, minimum educational qualification 8th pass for seniority quota. It was to be decided the prescribed minimum educational qualification for extra departmental agents,
Sir, where do you get this MTS here?
multitask.
Where is that post?
Mm,
This is third day I am asking you. You are in the same page. You are not changing your page.
Milord, 50%
Please don't give imaginary thing. Show me the document. We want to know whether is it a direct recruitment or promotion. For that purpose we required how the method of recruitment. Whether respondent was appointed directly or promoted. Who is your superior? We'll summon him.
If you don't have the file and if you don't have the knowledge,
At least
How-
2013 document you have.
how come this appeal was filed?
2013 document you have.
postal assistant के पोस्ट पर हाई किया गया पोस्टल इसका रूल
सर MTS अपॉइंट जी जी जी
Sir, you are giving latest 2010. We are concerned with the 2005. Respondent was promoted or appointed to MTS cadre in the year 2005. As on that day, similar notification was there or not?
उस पहले भी था उस 11 में
Let his counsel
पहले
explain the
वाला
facts.
नहीं मिल पा रहा
Mr. Court Master.
नहीं मिल पा रहा पहले वाला
He is a blank.
The amendment of 2002.
Sir, 2002 amendment.
हाँ,
Then
that
on
is,
what date?
it is 24 January 2002, Milord.
Oh, pass on that.
With regard to MTS, that is not stated. It is for the postal assistant, Milord. Postal assistant.
Then how the respondent was appointed or promoted to the post of MTS in 2005? He was related to you? He was related to you?
No, Milord.
You are not assisting the court properly. Tell me who has to be summoned now? Next. Ask him who has to be summoned.
ऑफिस से इंस्ट्रक्शन लेकर के रूल मिल सकेगा?
खोजे थे सर
खोजे थे नहीं, प्लीज प्रयास कीजिए.
आई विल ट्राई सर आई विल ट्राई टू सर्च
Next is Postmaster.
मिलट
Next is Postmaster General.
Postmaster General, Patna.
No, Northern Region is the first. Or straight away Chief Postmaster.
Chief Postmaster General will summon him.
मिलट at least 2 weeks time be granted. They will try their best, Milord.
Don't ask for one day. This is third day. We are on the same page. No development. See, matter requires to be examined with reference to 2005. As on the date of respondent was appointed or promoted. You are producing the documents of 2010 and prior to 2002, which do not consisting of this multitask force.
Milord, we
Mr.
expect it.
Attorney General, we are very sorry. to say that there is no assistance from the officers, law officers. You have to take necessary action to remove or reshuffle, something like that.
I'm sorry, my lords, I'll just...
This is third day or fourth day in the respective of the same matter. We are just we want, as on May 2005, the post of MTS is required to be filled up by what method? Is it by direct recruitment, promotion, deputation? Nothing is forthcoming, despite summoning the officer.
Okay. Your Lordship, may just adjourn it. Tomorrow, day after, I'll get...
No, it is not a one case. In generally, we are coming across, there is no assistance from the law officer. They don't read and come. They don't understand our issue, despite giving in writing in the previous order, this is the requirement of the court. They will simply come and stand like a blank. Then we have to summon the officer. The officer is also does not know. He has brought 2010 rules, which is irrelevant to the case in hand. We will summon the Chief Master, Postmaster General.
Lordship, I think it would be the... Lordship, may just adjourn it. Day after tomorrow, I'll get the necessary instructions.
Sir, it is not a one case.
I'll assist you myself, Your Lordship.
It is not one case. You have to do something with your law officers. Just take down. On 21/7/2022, the following order was passed. Later on, at the request of the counsel for the petitioner, matter was adjourned to today. Mr. So and so, Senior Superintendent of Post Office, Postal Division, Purnia, fourth respondent is present in the court. There is no assistance from him. He has furnished 2010 rules, which is not relevant to the case in hand for the reasons that the respondent was appointed to the post of MTS, appointed/promoted to the post of MTS in the year 2005. With reference to date of his promotion or appointment, what is required to be examined in the present case is whether is he entitled to pension in terms of old pension rules or new rules. Full stop. Release this matter on Wednesday for the purpose of production of rules relating to filling up of the post of MTS as on respondent was promoted/appointed in the year 2005, failing which the concerned respondents are hereby directed to pay a cost of rupees 25,000 for the reasons that this court has already provided 3 opportunity, and today we have spent about a half an hour on this issue. Release this matter on Wednesday.